good looking? Want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, go ahead, grab a hold of that vine, swing it onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make General Tso chicken, and we're going to be doing it on the Blackstone Griddle. So, grab a hold of that vine, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. So I hear that you've been wanting to have some General Tso chicken, and I'm going to sit there and do it, but we're going to do it on the Blackstone Griddle. So I have cubed up some chicken here. Now you can use the white meat or you could use dark meat. You decide. I have a Ziploc baggie here, and now I'm going to sit there and put at least half of a cup to 3/4 of a cup of the cornstarch right into my Ziploc baggie. Alright, now to the cornstarch that's already in the baggie here, let's go ahead and add some salt and some pepper, and then also I'm going to be using some of this Simply Asia Spicy Szechuan 5-spice seasoning and the Simply Asia Sweet and Smoky Hibachi seasoning. Putting in the sweet and smoky hibachi seasoning, and now I'm going to sit there and put the spicy Szechuan 5-spice seasoning in. Now I'm going to sit there and zip up the Ziploc baggie to mix up all the seasonings. Now that I mixed it all, I'm going to go ahead, reopen my bag up, and I'm going to fold it down, and I'm going to add some of the cubed up chicken that I already have all cubed up. And now I'm going to sit there and close the bag and give this all a good shake to get them pieces all coated. And I'm going to keep adding the chicken into this cornstarch mixture here. After I mix it up as such, I'm going to sit there, grab some more chicken. We're going to zip it shut. We're going to sit there and mix up all the chicken into that coating. And I'll see you when I'm all done coating all the chicken up. Okay, now the chicken's all coated. We're just going to sit there and set that off to the side. And I'm going to bring out all the sauce ingredients, and we're going to mix that all up. Okay, we have the breaded up General Tso chicken, and we're just going to set it off to the side. I have a measuring cup thing that I'm going to sit there and mix all my sauce into, and what we're going to be needing is 1 teaspoon of the dried minced garlic. So I'm going to sit there and go ahead, put that all into my measuring cup there, and then you're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of the ground ginger. I'm going to go ahead and put that in as well. Now let's put 3/4 cup of sugar, and then you're going to be needing 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 14 ounces of chicken broth, you're going to be needing 1/4 cup of a cooking wine. And then you're going to be needing 1/4 cup of white vinegar. And then add as little or as much crushed red pepper as you desire. Now my family likes it to be a little bit hotter. They may argue with me, but when they're hurting, they'll sit there and agree. Now I'm going to sit there and take my whisk, and we're going to whisk all this up inside of the measuring dish here. And then simply, we're going to set that off to the side, and I'm going to step over to the Blackstone Griddle. Alright, I brought out some frozen broccoli flowerets that I'm going to sit there and also throw on the Blackstone Griddle. And here is our all seasoned up, cubed up chicken. And now we're going to take this over to the Blackstone Griddle, and we're going to start cooking that up. And right there's our sauce. So let's start her up. Now I'm going to sit there and just spread some oil down. And with my spatula, we're going to sit there and spread it out before I put any of the chicken down. But first, we need to heat the oil all up. Now, we're just going to set our temperature to about medium high. Okay, let's go ahead and add some chicken. And I'm going to push up some of this oil from the bottom. And there we go. The hot oil just starts escaping and goes and puddles to an area. Just push that hot oil back up. Now allow your chicken to all brown up. And like I said, if any of your oil starts to get away, all you gotta do is just push it back up. I'm going to continue to fry these all up until they're nice and crispy. Let's check out the chicken. Oh yeah. Let that brown up all nice as it is. And then right over here on this side, I spread out the frozen broccoli, and now I'm just going to sit there and start this because we're going to want that to steam. Alright, I steamed the broccoli. Now I turn that off and I just have it sitting off to the side. And now we're just going to come back over here to our chicken and now take some of that sauce and we're going to sit there and pour it all over the chicken here. And mix it all up. And then we're going to pour some more over and let that all cook on. Until we have all the chicken nice and coated.
Looks fantastic, Mom.
Let's put some more on, and this time we're going to bring the broccoli over and introduce that into all this luscious sauce. Okay, let's pour some of that rest of the sauce over and let this all caramelize on as well. I'll see you when I'm going to be plating this all up. Okay, we gotta give it a taste test. Let's get a flour and everything all in one bite. That looks like a good YouTube bite. The broccoli is tender crisp. And the chicken, the coating that we put on there, that is staying really crisp, and yet the chicken is moist and tender in that sauce that we made. It's really good. You must give this a try. Well, folks, I have some eating here to do, and I have a family to serve up. So I'll be seeing you, and love each and every one of you. And there you go. General Tso chicken. I showed you just how easy it was to be made on the Blackstone Griddle. Now if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, tap that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear?